Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add background music to your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then click on the video button within the create new section and select your video that you would like to edit. After that, tap on the music button down below and click on the music button in the middle of the screen. That's the first option. Tap on music and here you can either extract audio from video, you can select from the for you section. Here you have a bunch of categories such as vlog, mood, beats, festival and so on. Click on the relevant one that you would like to choose. Here you can find the options, tap on the relevant one that you want to use and then click on the copy button. As you can see, it has been copied. You can also download it by tapping on the download button, click on use and then it will be inserted to your video. Click on the checkmark icon and now it has been inserted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.